Why export Asana tasks to Excel?
The Exporting Asana Tasks to Excel helps you organize, analyze, and report on your project data. Excel offers advanced sorting, filtering, and visualization tools that allow you to turn task lists into actionable insights. Automating this export saves time and ensures your reports are always up to date with the latest information from your Asana projects.
Connecting Asana with Excel, the automation approach.
To automate exports, you can use tools such as Zapier or Power Automate. These platforms act as bridges between Asana and Excel. With a few simple steps, you can set up a workflow that automatically sends new or updated Asana tasks directly to a designated Excel file, streamlining your reporting process.
Setting up Zapier for Asana to Excel.
In Zapier, start by creating a new Zap. Choose Asana as the trigger app and specify the event, like when a new task is created. Next, select Excel as the action app and set it to create a new row in your chosen spreadsheet. Map the Asana fields to Excel columns and turn on the Zap to begin the automation.
Alternative: using Power Automate.
Microsoft Power Automate offers another way to link Asana and Excel. Create a flow triggered by an event in Asana, such as task creation or update. Then, add an Excel action to add this data to your workbook stored on OneDrive or SharePoint. This solution integrates well within Microsoft environments.
Tips for successful data export and analysis.
To make the most of your exports, ensure your Excel Sheets columns match Asana's task fields, like name, due date, assignee, and status. Schedule regular exports to keep data current. Use Excel's features like pivot tables and charts to gain deeper insights from your Asana data and improve team productivity.